Welcome to Section 4, Movie Reviews, Working with Text. In this section, we'll be focusing on natural language processing and text mining. We'll be working with movie review data. We'll explore that data. We'll get an overview of document vectors. We'll classify documents, cluster documents, and search similar documents. When referring to documents here, we're just referring to any large text field. In this case, this will be the review text. This first video is an overview of the movie review dataset. In this video, we'll explore the dataset. It's included in the text-to-vec package. We will only be using the movie review dataset from this package. We will not be using the text processing functions in this package. To look at our data, first we have to load up the text-to-vec library. In the event you don't have this installed, highlight the following line and hit Command-Enter on a Mac or Control-Enter on Windows or Linux, or just uncomment the line and then run it as a part of the script. We'll load the dataset. We can take a look at the dimensions, and we see it's 5,000 observations of 3 features. If we call call names, we see what those features are. Sometimes we've also looked at this with the head command. Notice here in the head command I've asked for only columns 1 and 2, as the review text is rather long and makes it harder to view. So we see we aren't even looking at the movie name, we're just looking at an ID of the review, a sentiment value, 0 or 1, in the review. If we call the first records review, we can see the example of text. It is a long form text, so note that it's truncated. So one simple thing we can do is call number of care and create a column out of that for each movie review. Break that online so we can see that a little better. I'm going to go ahead and create a plot to show review length in characters faceted by sentiment. And we see, in fact, that the length of the reviews is similar, regardless of whether it's a positive or negative review. Again, ggplot2 in detail is a little bit beyond the scope of this course. But the quick summary here is that we're plotting our character count variable. The fill color is a factor by sentiment. It's a histogram. And we're faceting the 2 plots to split them out. Now that we've looked at our data set